A leaker claimed last week that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will gain a 3x 50-megapixel telephoto camera, representing a major resolution improvement over the current 10-megapixel 3x tel camera. Now the same source has more details on this new camera. Leaker Ice Universe claimed on Twitter that this new 50-megapixel telephoto camera has a 0.7-micron pixel size and a 1/2.52-inch sensor size. This, therefore, isn't the largest sensor by any stretch, being slightly bigger than the Pixel 7 Pro's 48-megapixel 5x periscope lens, but falling well short of 50-megapixel main cameras seen on the likes of the base Galaxy S23. It sounds like all these pixels will be put to good use, though. The tipster asserts that Samsung will offer good 5x zoom quality owing to this sensor. They add that Samsung will emphasize the camera's 5x zoom quality, presumably in marketing materials. This assertion makes sense as we've seen several brands using high-resolution 3x or 3.5x telephoto cameras, while still offering respectable 5x to 10x zoom quality. Some of the more notable examples include the Huawei P60 Pro and the Oppo Find X6 Pro. So we're glad to see Samsung apparently taking advantage of this trend. It's also worth noting that interstitial zoom quality between 5x and 7x has long been a major weakness of the Galaxy Ultra phones. For example, we thought the Pixel 7 Pro with its dedicated 5x camera beat the S23 Ultra at these zoom levels. The rumored shift to a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto camera means Samsung could finally address this problem. Unfortunately, Ice Universe added that the 10x periscope camera is still the same old 10-megapixel sensor. But the Ultra line is still one of the few phone families to offer 10x cameras in the first place, so we can't complain much. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below.